Hello friends, I am Dr. Harshalata Ladda from Samarth Hospital, Aurangabad. So far we have discussed a lot about infertility, male infertility, female infertility, procedures done in the infertility, regarding test tube baby, all these things we have discussed. But today we are going to discuss about misconceptions regarding IVF or ICSI, that is test tube baby. So a lot of patient comes to me, they have lots of misconceptions regarding this procedure. Like first of all is superstitious, like religious issues. They feel that this is some unnatural or something different issue. We are doing something against the God's wish. And that's why they land up with some quack treatment or something very superstitious things. That causes lot of complications in these patients and the treatment is delayed. That's why chances of pregnancy are going to be very less. This is one cause. Second misconception is it a natural procedure? I think I would give the answer in some different way. This is not exactly 100% natural, but it is somewhat close to it. In this procedure, we are doing the things which usually happens in the fallopian tubes of a female genital tract. That procedure is carried out in the lab, means fusion of sperm and egg. We carry out this procedure in the lab. That is the only difference, and after that embryo is formed, we put that embryo in the uterine cavity of the female. So the embryo grows in the uterus only we are bypassing the fertilization procedure. So it is almost close to natural fertilization. Third misconception, sometimes couple feels ki whether that baby is their own baby or something different. Yes, that baby is their own baby. Husband's sperms and wife's eggs are taken together and they are kept together to form the embryo. But in some cases we have to change the gametes, means either sperm or eggs. But in that case we have to take a legal consent from the couple. They have to sign a particular form. If they agree, then only in some cases we have to change the gamete. Next misconception is the baby born out of IVF or ICSI normal or abnormal? In that, the babies are normal. The chances of abnormal or mentally retarded child is exactly same in the couples who are conceived naturally. So there is no increased risk of abnormal baby. That's why this procedure is safe. I will like to give you example, like first test tube baby of India, Harsha. She is also an engineer. First test tube baby in the world, Louise Brown. She is also an engineer and she is married and she has her own kids. So I think these queries are sorted out and you might have convinced.